need to harvest some parsley. We have the parsley here. Actually from last season. Rosemary. Sprigs of rosemary for the steak, and Josh needs rosemary too for his like dish. Whatever he is creating. I don't know yet. Smells so good. Rosemary here and parsley. This kitchen is about to get busy, so each one of us are going to prepare 3 dishes. So our husband is cooking mussels, mushroom, and then pan de tomate. I'm not sure what Josh is like making. It's a little bit of surprise, but I know he bought like shrimp. I am doing crema catalan, and then steak, and then squid. And here's the ribeye steak. Ooh, smells good.
This is our tapas score for the night. My idea.
Chorizo from the mussel.
I think Josh. Here at Whole Foods, grocery shopping for Josh. Tapas rolls, tomatoes. Tomatoes are so colorful. Also,
Not necessarily, it's not on my display, but I have a feeling what I'm gonna make with it.
avocado for Josh charcuterie. Josh got the shrimp. I got the squid, and husband got the mussels. Getting steak, and we're ready.
Ready?
Yes. Took a long time to decide. Third one from you on this side.
The ribeye.
The ribeye steak.
Ribeye steak?
Yeah. The third from you.
This one?
Yes.
Yeah.
Perfect. Yeah, keep on looking. We are looking for whole milk. I'm making crema catalan. That one, the Organic Valley whole milk. Yeah, sure. In the back, Baba, in the back, right? Is that in the back? Manchego, right? Go get it. Josh is getting manchego for his charcuterie.
I think one would be good.
So shopping for our tapas for later. Yummy bread. Ciabatta. Good. Do you want spaghetti? The almonds. Roasted and unsalted. Oh, unroasted. Roasted and unsalted. This is what I like.
Saan ang baby Bella?
Baby Bella's there. This is the white.
Ang mas maganda yung Bella, mas may gulay, no?
Wanna get one? In a few hours, we'll prepare our Spanish tapas dinner. But first, I need to do the crema catalan. And for crema catalan, I need lemon and orange from the backyard garden. So let's go to the garden and harvest lemon and orange. Flowers are blooming. I'll show you the roses again. Hi. This is lavender. I'll harvest lemon from here. I only need a lemon peel, and then same thing with the orange. But first, let me show you the roses. Look at the gorgeous roses. Love this. Look at the color. The red and then the white. So pretty. One here, see, and then there, and over there. I'm harvesting lemon from here today. This is ripe. Let's harvest 2 lemons, or maybe 3. I think husband might need a lemon, Josh might need a lemon too. But for crema catalan, I need a lemon peel and an orange peel. Here. So orange and lemons. Orange and lemons. This is like a grapevine. Look at the flowers or tiny fruits here. This is 2.5 cups whole milk. So crema catalan uses whole milk, while creme brulee uses heavy cream. Beautiful looking egg yolk. So I need 5. Let's start on our milk. So 2.5 cups of like whole milk. Let's add 1 cinnamon stick and then peel. I washed this already. Orange peel and lemon peel. Oh my gosh, smells so good. Orange peel, lemon peel. Oh. Egg yolk and 1/2 cup sugar. I have the dishes here for like tapas or for like crema catalan. So I'll use this. I made 5. Just need to cover this with plastic wrap. Here's our seafood and steak. Josh, what did you get, Josh? Shrimp. Shrimp. Husband got the mussels and I got the squid. That is for the seafood. And then we have other stuff too. So we got the steak, the mussels, and
We might not have enough of these small bowls.
which one?
The bowls. The balls.
Yeah, we need
I
9.
know we need more of those. And then the squid. Let me prepare the squid. Husband is like quick to prepare. What do you need?
Chopping board.
Chop is preparing his dish.
It's kind of like a salad.
Like a salad, yes. How are you doing so far?
Doing pretty good so far. I need to cut the cucumber. I need to cut it really thin.
Awesome. The family at work.
Oh, I dropped one.
Daddy is busy here with his chorizo.
For the eastern mussel.
But there you go. I need to prepare the squid. Josh is moving on to his charcuterie
I'll
board.
actually do
Daddy
it
is
down
looking
here.
for a wine glass.
Yeah, I'm just gonna make it here because
Okay.
a lot of things are happening here.
Okay.
And my
This looks yummy. This is Josh's charcuterie. Yum yum. Yeah.
the deli, the avocado, the cheese, the rosemary. I'm planning for olives to be here, and then something over here. Kind of tarty or fruity.
And then a salad. There's salad. Now he's going to prepare his shrimp. My first dish is crema catalan, which is ready already. Now I'm on to my second dish. This is like squid in paprika and lots of garlic.
Awesome.
Their salad
Oh,
is
and look at
green.
your charcuterie
Now-
board.
The squid.
Is this all the Gouda?
Yeah, that's all the
Oh, you got a small one?
yeah. Because I thought the charcuterie board would be smaller.
Okay.
And Himalayan salt. And then paprika. Smoked paprika. Smoked paprika is what makes this dish Spanish. I was gonna use the smoked paprika too for his like recipe. The sherry wine. Josh
100
is
ml.
100 ml.
Chef.
Josh is preparing his shrimp, grilled shrimp.
Okay, I think that's enough.
Did you put salt?
Oh, this.
No.
No. I think
I'm preparing the olives. Husband is starting his mazo. Hello. Maybe that's enough.
yeah,
now?
that's enough.
For now. It's cooking.
And the cherry nuts.
Not yet.
No, perfect. No,
Nice.
those are perfect char markers.
Oh,
Smart.
nice. I'm going to okay. Make sure that you don't let them touch your hand. Be careful.
Oh, that's cast
Make sure
iron.
it doesn't touch the cast iron. Here's Josh shrimp.
We have food for 1 battalion. 1 battalion.
Batalyon.
Battalion. You can have steak. This is the shrimp. Looks super yummy. Look at the
Ma'am, pakihingan.
look at the char marks I made. Good char marks, no? That is actually chorizo smells so good, by the way.
Yeah, thank
Do
you.
you want to try the shrimp, Josh? This looks yummy. Oh, this is hot. How about this? Can you come up that? Rib eye steak.
I'm using this
Sorry, I think I used
my
this.
all-time favorite
I have
Kinder
another-
Fran
I have the
steak
other spice.
seasoning.
Okay. Sherry wine.
Cherry one.
Look at how huge. And then, food for a battalion. We have a lot of food. Oh,
So good.
Wow.
First time I tried sherry.
Okay. At the same
better
time.
not get too close. Whoa! Whoa!
I can see.
I'll help you.
Rosemary on our steak. I need to harvest more rosemary. We need more rosemary and we need more lemon. We have unlimited supply of rosemary. Look at this rosemary bush. Husband needs like juice of 1 lemon. Maybe this one. No. This one. Let's harvest from here. Oops. This one is like, it seems like, there you go. Lemon. And how are you guys doing? Charcuterie salad and then this shrimp. Oh
I
god!
told you I'll finish my first.
Yes!
Yum,
yum.
Thank you.
I turned the steak.
Oh my God, so good.
Wow.
Wow.
So the part.
You're
So
a
which-
mommy junior chef. Wow.
Which
The
one?
shrimp is so good with the dressing.
I know! Josh knows how to cook now. And here's the rib eye steak.
Bagong deliver.
Ooh, smells good. And husband's muscles. Ooh, looks yummy. Whoa. Hi Josh, what are you making?
Calamansi juice. Lemon juice.
What is there?
Honey, lemon, sugar, and calamansi.
Nice.
And this?
Oh, pwede na. Huwag lang yung dulo, of course.
Diretso na, no?
Oh, diretso na. Dali. Oh, ganda pala eh, no? Hindi matigas kagaya ng isang
Yeah.
ciabatta.
Kasi iba na natin ito dun eh, no? Mas maganda.
Hindi rin. Hirap nga i-operate lang, di ba?
This is our tapas score for the night. My idea.
Yes. We have the steak, ribeye steak.
The Eastern mussel with sherry wine.
The totally Spanish charcuterie board.
And then the squid, the shrimp, and then the salad.
Juicy.
Let's try this. So it's like this. Pink inside.
How is it?
Yum, yum.
Just steak. Abutan mo siya. Abot mo yung board. Para siyang kukuha.
Everything is yum yum.
Mussels are so good. And that shrimp too. No? Shrimp with special dressing that just made. Need it.
Diba? Yeah.
Good now?
They cook the shrimp perfectly.
Ancon tomate is husband's like one of his dishes. Now, ancon tomate, a very classic Spanish dish, wrapped with garlic and then tomato.
This one is super yummy too.
This is grilla a la gambas.
The Josh special sauce. We'll be here until later.
Yeah.
We'll eat for like 3 hours. Kind of shabbat. Yeah, if I swim tomorrow, no. Yeah, I've rested not tomorrow, no. We're free tomorrow.
Oh, try the chorizo from the muscle.
Oh, are you asking me or mommy?
Mommy,
I'm
but
sorry.
I'll get another one. For you. No, mommy hasn't tried it. I'll get you one, Josh.
I already ate the one that you give me one.
Okay. Josh, what was your thought process about having this tapas crawl night?
Wait, oh, I think first I thought I wanted to collaborate because like with our like cooking because like in my Spanish class we did like a project where we had to show our cooking of Spanish thing, and then I wanted to like cook with you guys, so it's like a family thing. And then I thought maybe we could do finger foods, right? Since it's like small and easy to cook, easy to whip up, whip out, and then I thought about it. Spanish finger food, tapas.
Awesome.
But I thought we could just make 3 dishes each since it's just tapas. But whoa, we're decked out.
I'm super full, so we'll just eat we'll just share on one for now. And then eat the rest tomorrow. I'm putting sugar. This was given to me by TB Tick. That's the brand name. The link is down below in case you're interested. Nice. Oh wow. You know how to do it. Yum. Good job, Josh. So this is our
Oh my god,
magkatsalan. I'll get a spoon.